Hi everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure. I made the snack that I promised everybody I was going to make with the peanut butter. So, there she is. She's got the rest of the peanut butter. I will show y'all the recipe. And I'll write it down below. Let's see here. I don't do it long. It's not here today. They're at work. So, yeah. My producer is not here. But you take a cup of sugar, a cup of corn syrup, and we use light corn syrup, and you put that in a medium saucepan. You bring it to a boil. You add a cup of peanut butter, and in another bowl you take and you put in 5 cups of cornflakes. Then once that all melts and comes together in the pot, you add it to the cornflakes, and this is what it makes. Yeah.
I'm not done with the wee puka, but there's something more to see.
Okay, hold on. So, and this what it comes out to. Now, you can make it into bars or you can just break it up. I just let it sit here, cool, and then I break it up into pieces. It is a good snack for like working out in the garden. My kids work at a warehouse, so you need lots of energy when they get busy. And it's just a good snack all around. Yes, I know the light corn syrup is not good for us. I have not experimented with honey or maple syrup or anything like that. So I think the next time I make this, I'm going to try to see if I can do it with honey and see if it comes out the same way. And if it doesn't, then we know. But that is what I've done today. Also, I dehydrated purple onions, red onions, however they want to call it. And, oops, that's my hand. Here is, if y'all can see it. But, my dehydrated red onions. And I got it into a somewhat of a powder. Sorry about that. Just such hands. My right hand is cramping up because I was stirring that stuff. But yeah, I made some red onion powder so that we could have our own dehydrated onions, and the other ones I'll just cut up and put them in the freezer so we can have them for later. So with it being hot today, we're not doing too much cooking, but just a little bit. And everybody, please, if you live somewhere where it's hot, stay hydrated. And there's nothing worse than sitting there and getting dehydrated in a hot summer. And if you feel like you don't feel like you need something to drink, that's when you need to drink something. Just a little tip from a retired EMT. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you have not subscribed to Ash's Treasure, Homesteading and Gardening, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure, Homesteading and Gardening. Have a wonderful day.